You know that's right.
What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube land? It's your girl ChinnaE out here on these YouTube and internet streets again. As you can see, coming back to you live once again to make this short, sweet video about a site that I love, like absolutely love. It's called ThemeForest. That's THEME Forest. ThemeForest, aka Envato. Okay, if you didn't get that, that's in Bato. Okay, babies. So basically, it's a WordPress theme site. You can go here and get very cool themes for your WordPress blogging site. Uh, and they have a greater selection than WordPress. From what I can see, this is an awesome site to take advantage of. They have more than one tools for you to take advantage of as well on their theme site. That's why they call it Theme Forest, because it's a forest full of themes on this site that you will absolutely love. Here they have basically like top web designers or top theme designers designing for them on the fly all the time, and I absolutely love their style. It's so rich. It's so lively. It's not the same thing that's been out here for everybody to use, and everybody sees the same thing. They have different themes for everything. Okay, and that's why it's called Theme Forest, aka Envato. Okay, so also, that's not the only reason why I came to you guys. I wanted to tell you guys about their affiliate program. Okay, so you basically create an Envato account and send traffic to any of their pages with just one link on Envato Market while adding your account username to the end of the URL. So as soon as you sign up and all that good stuff, it creates it for you, and you just copy the link, go ahead and send it off to people. Make sure they know. Don't do Bitly. As you guys can see, I add at the description, in my description, I don't use any more URL shorteners like Bitly or whatever. I don't use any of those because they affect your referral links. They really do. Now, they might be able to get the person to that site, yes. And you might think nothing is wrong, but as soon as you're trying to get credit for somebody signing up, you won't get credited because something messes with that link. With these URL shorteners, something just messes with the links, and I do not appreciate it. I do not like it. I don't want to use any more URL shorteners at all. So my apologies for these long links, but guys, I need to put them out here, and I need to put them out here the way that they are given to me, so I can receive my credit for letting you know what's good out here and what's real, and so I can receive my credit. Okay, Bitly and all these other URL shorteners. To the next, okay? Because I'm not dealing with that. Okay, so basically, while adding your when a new user clicks your referral link and signs up and purchases an item or adds the credit via any of your Envato market sites, you will receive a 30% commission of that person's credited amount, or 30% of the purchase item price, whichever is higher. Okay, so if they add $20 credit into their account, you get 6. They buy $200 item, you get $60 of that. So they do cut you in real good on their affiliate program when it comes to making money through ThemeForest, aka Envato. Okay, so definitely check them out, y'all, and see what I'm talking about. They're an awesome site. They deliver and they pay out on time. I love this site. Like, wait, to the WordPressers out there like me, the bloggers and the people that love building websites and building period online, you will love this site because they have X amount of themes, X amount of styles. You'll love their styles. You'll love it. And I can't wait to hear back from you guys telling me that you love it. So yeah, check them out, guys. They're very legit. They're very they're coming on strong with their platform. They're high in their rankings. Check them out because they are a great legitimate site where you can not only get your themes from and all that, you can get paid as an affiliate through them as well. Okay, so remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl ChinnaE out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that link down there. Show me love by clicking on my link, getting to this website, and letting you guys know the real, and continue to slide in my YouTube DMs. Comment to me. I don't care. You know, if you feel you have a stupid question, just ask me. I answer everybody. It might take me a little minute sometimes because I'm doing work and I might not see it right away, but I do still see your comments, guys. I do still reply. I make sure you get the help you need in venturing off into these internet work from home, freelancing jobs, or work from home jobs, period. So definitely, you hit them links up, like and subscribe, get started, get in. Thank you for becoming family as well. I also wanted to send a shout out to all the people who subscribe, who are subscribing. Definitely, I will be doing certain giveaways later on down the road. So that's why I say stay tuned. Like and subscribe. I have a lot in store for you guys. I do appreciate you coming to my channel and finding me interesting in what I'm saying to you. So I thank you guys. This is ChinnaE, over and out.